Ow, that's a shotgun, and I got shot on.
Damn, bro, get pooped on, dude. Oh, get pooped on, dude.
Of course that hits me, dude.
Get pooped on, dude.
Fuck you, Brian.
I'll do it, Brian.
Get pooped on, dude. Alright, I gotta kick this in the... Yeah, like, oh my god! Get pooped on, dude.
I love it so much.
These fucking idiots.
Get pooped on, dude.
You triggered him so hard, and all you said was what he said. He couldn't stand his own voice. He had to mute you.
Oh, do it, Brian.
Get pooped on, dude.
I think he has you muted now. Wait, that's what I should do. I should make you echo through my mic so he still hears it. Wait, Brian, do it.
Get pooped on, dude. You keep saying get pooped on, dude. Mute you. Terrorism, you.
He called you the N-word. He called you the N-word. Oh my god. Because he heard it through my headset. Racist idiot gets destroyed and triggered by a soundboard.
Wait, one sec.
Disclaimer, that was not Brian that said that. That was in fact the racist man in the last lobby.